1st. It's Thursday, and we're still in Wildwood here. And last night I noticed our blinker wasn't working in the back. It was flashing really fast, the front one. And the great thing about these 2004 F350s, you can still do stuff yourself. So there are just 2 little screws attached right here, size 8. You unscrew those, this thing pops out, and then you just go counterclockwise on these 2 lights, and you can just replace them. I bought 2 of them yesterday for $5. Pretty inexpensive right here, and we'll exchange them now, and then pop it all back in, make sure it works. Stop it. So did it work?
Yes.
Got it all popped in. It was really easy. You just pulled the light out, put the new one in. I exchanged both of them just in case. And now these are the screws. Screw them back in on the side. And we're all good. So we're here at Indian Harbor Beach with the metal detector, shovels, and our goal is to find those Spanish ships that sank here many years ago, or at least a little bit of that treasure. Wow, these are some big waves here and lots of surfers in the water. Pretty cool. Mel, wollen wir nicht hier? Then we can watch the surfers. Is it cold? Yeah, let's stay here.
Guck mal hier.
Jakob, is the water cold?
Yes.
He already dipped his feet in there.
And look what I found
Yeah, Emilie found some sunglasses again.
from Ray-Ban.
Always Ray-Bans. Lucky her. Hey, good looking. Alright guys, let's get going. Find me those gold coins. Not going home until we have a few of those. So the machine was giving us an indication that there's something here. So Jakob and Emilie are digging the hole. We hope it's not just that piece of garbage over there, but maybe the treasure chest. What is it, Emilie?
Like 2?
Okay, let me try again with the machine.
Yeah, we need to get this.
Shovel gone.
Wait.
Shovel gone. Anything here? Whoa. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Anything? Anything?
Maybe you should turn it on over here.
You do it.
Go there.
Oh, you got sandy hands. Never mind.
Needs a shovel. Emilie, Achtung.
Emilie, I'm coming.
Hit point again?
So we just packed up our stuff and moved down a little bit because we were told up there above the water line is private property. So we were trespassing. So we moved our stuff down a little bit here where the water line is. So we're not hurting anybody's feeling. Again, up here, private property. Down here where the lowly people are, anybody can be. And in the distance, Melanie's looking for treasure. Have not found anything, but we're not giving up yet. Linus and Eli having fun here. Digging a little fort or castle or whatever they're doing. And Emilie digging a hole again. So what's the goal here? How low do you guys want to go?
I want to go this to the water, right?
Until you hit water?
I want to go over my hand.
Okay, well that's pretty deep here.
He's already at the water.
Really, let me see.
Here, there's water on it.
Oh yeah. It's amazing.
Linus and Emilie can't manage to get out of their hole. give the phone.
Emmy, jetzt ein Bein hoch. So.
Oh, finally.
It's pretty nice because they don't charge you for parking at all. And there are showers here. You can sit here. And it's really just over that little bridge over there. And you're at the beach.
Okay, we are in Titusville now. We finally found the Space View Park. And Cape Canaveral is over there in the back where you can see the yellow lights. Basically right to the lamp, the lantern, and rocket will be launched in a few minutes.
Da, seht ihr das? Seht ihr das, Emilie? Siehst du das? Da.
I did. Something that was white that side of the pool.
No.
Was that awesome? Did you see that?
Yes.
That was
Are
cool,
they
huh?
doing another one?
No, they're not. That was the only one.
It's funny because